Are you tired of going through thousands of blogs, hundreds of code, and tens of courses to learn UI5? Then this course is for you. Complete UI5 end-to-end to learn UI5 and master application development techniques using UI5, using the middleware as gateway or SAP HANA, is rated the #1 course in the entire world to learn UI5. This course has been more than 50,000 enrollment all over the world. In this course, we start from very basics, from the level 0. We increase the level, understanding the basics and the concept in the right way, covering each details perfectly and not leaving any part, may it be tables, list, binding, aggregation, filters, everything. You will be also getting equipped with the basic understanding of creating a UI5 app, MVC architecture, the binding concept, the aggregation binding. Then over time, we will go to the backend side as well, where we create the data services. These data services would be utilized in your application, and then you know how to create a end-to-end application. We will also take it a level up in your advanced professional course with UI5, where you will understand how to apply sorting techniques, how to include Google Maps in your app, how to make your application customizable or create your own component. That is the time when we take the application development a little deeper, where we play with the library and get a good hands-on understanding. You will be also getting understanding about the web ID, the modern way of developing UI5 application end-to-end with your basic course itself. I hope that you will have wonderful time learning UI5 with this 5-star rated course and considered the #1 course to learn and getting started with UI5, getting a professional experience with UI5 and mastering UI5 end-to-end. My name is Ajay Nayak and I welcome and hope to see you in this course.